Recall that we have only given our decision tree the 40 counties that constitute the training data. And now in step 6, we will present to our model the available data of 18 counties that it has never seen. This new data for our decision tree is called testing data. The testing data is the one that only contains featured columns and is the one that we will use to make our predictions. Let's load our testing data in our notebook. Now let's make sure that our testing data is ready to make predictions. Let's take a look at our loaded data. Remember that the testing data should only contain features. As you can see, we do not have the label cases per 100,000 people, since that is what we will try to predict, but we still have county names. So let's drop the county names column from our testing data and make our predictions. This cell over here will drop our county data, our county names, and we'll make our predictions. Now that we have made our predictions, let's actually see what it predicted for each county and see how these predictions can relate to the tree that we saw in the previous step. This cell over here will show us all the predictions that were made. For example, let's look at San Francisco. The value predicted was 702.806 cases per 100,000 people. Now, when we look at our tree, we can see that San Francisco fell into this bin. This is because San Francisco has an unemployment rate lower than 0.123, true, It had a population higher than 28,453, and green votes higher than 0.005%. The values in the leaves are essentially the predictions we made. We can also see that the other counties falling into the same bin are Alameda, Siskiyou, Sonoma, and Butte. Notice that all the predictions fall into one of the values shown in the leaves of the decision tree. Now that we have made our predictions, our next step will be to check whether our model did a good job.